想唔想知道英文考試高分嘅秘訣？
Very good.
英文考試低分嘅主要原因。
我哋一齊跳入去閃星星同小鳥老師一齊學習。
Hello， 大家好啊！歡迎你嚟到閃星星。係咪想知道英文考試點樣可以攞到高分呢？其實英文考試呢分為4部分嘅，而第一部分呢就係 spontaneous questions， 即時對答。今日呢我就會同你哋溫習下10題最熱門嘅題目啊！喺未開始之前呢，我都要俾啲 tips 你先啊。好啦，第一個 tips 就係 look at your examiner， 要望實個主考官喎，即係有 eye contact。因為呢 eye contact 如果100分嚟講呢，都佔成4-5分㗎。好啦，第二個 tips 呢，就係 give a friendly smile， 俾個友善嘅笑容你嘅考官，大家都會交流得順暢啲㗎。
Louder and clear, please.
Sure, I will try my best.
第三個 tips 呢，就係 use loud, clear and confident voice， 用大聲、清楚同埋有自信嘅聲音，考官聽得清楚啲呢，都會俾高分啲你㗎。第一句最常問嘅呢，就係 How are you？ 你好嗎？
I am fine, thank you.
第二句係 Where do you live？ 你住喺邊度啊？
I live in Causeway Bay.
第三句係 What is the weather like today？ 今日嘅天氣係點樣啊？
It is hot and sunny. It is cold and rainy.
第四句 How do you go to school？ 你點樣返學㗎？
I go to school by bus. I go to school on foot.
第五句 Which class are you in？ 你係讀邊一班㗎？
I am in class 3B.
第六句 Who is your class teacher？ 邊個係你班主任啊？
My class teacher is Miss Lee and she is very kind.
第七句 Who is your best friend？ 邊個係你最好嘅朋友？
My best friend is Tom. He is my classmate and he is very helpful.
第八句 Can you tell me something about your family？ 你可唔可以話俾我聽關於你屋企嘅事啊？
There are 4 people in my family, my dad, my mom, my elder brother, and me.
第九句 Which subjects do you like best？ 你最鍾意乜嘢科目啊？
I like music best because I am good at singing.
嚟到第10句啦 What do you want to be when you grow up？ 你長大之後想做乜嘢職業啊？
I want to be a doctor because I want to help sick people and make them feel better.
同學呢，翻轉溫習多幾次，祝你哋每次考柯老都可以好似呢幾位小朋友咁攞到好成績。其實呢，我放咗工呢都幾攰㗎啦，但係如果你想鼓勵我用放工嘅時間仲拍片同你溫習嘅呢，就記得俾 like、subscribe 同埋 share 我嘅影片喎。我係小廖老師，聽日再嚟閃星星好唔好啊？如果你有啲乜嘢想學嘅，都可以喺下邊留言嘅。拜拜。